Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Friday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We have a really strong wind on the way. It's going to come in from the southwest. It'll be between 15 and 30 miles per hour, but may gust as high as 40 miles per hour. Now that's a really warm direction that the wind is coming in from, and that's going to bring in a very warm day. In fact, record-setting day. High temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s out there. We're going to have plenty of sunshine, too. We have a warm front that's lifting through, and that's bringing all of these conditions for today. Now, as far as the records go, I think we should break it by maybe 1 degree in Waterloo. Old record 81. I think we'll tie in Dubuque and Cedar Rapids and should shatter it there in Iowa City because those are some limited records in the historical period. But shows you how warm it's going to be nonetheless. And as temperatures get so high, relative humidity gets pretty low. Then you factor in those winds, you're going to have a high fire danger. Fires can start and spread fairly easily, so be careful with your activities outside for today and into tonight. Otherwise, we'll look at low temperatures staying on the mild side tonight, about the upper 40s to mid 50s. Slight chance for rain in the north. I think for the most part we're looking dry both tonight and tomorrow. We just can't rule out a few isolated showers, particularly in the north. That's where a cold front is going to be set up. So look at the range of temperatures we have for tomorrow. Anywhere from the mid 50s for highs in Decorah to the mid 70s in Washington. Makes for a pretty tricky forecast overall. And then, of course, as we continue through the weekend, more rain and storm chances Saturday night, and the rain will linger into Sunday as highs are technically in the 40s, but will actually drop throughout the day with that north wind. So again, a pretty tricky forecast on the way for this weekend. Total rainfall probably looking to be in the ballpark of a quarter inch to about an inch. And then we'll have even more rain on the way for early next week. Now let's go through future track real quick. There's the warm front that is lifting through. It'll give us plenty of sunshine today, just a few passing clouds at times. Highs are in the 70s and 80s with that strong wind. But as quickly as the warm front lifts through, we also have the cold front that is going to be sagging in as early as tonight. And then through the day tomorrow, it's going to set up somewhere around Highway 20. That's what gives us that discrepancy in temperatures across the area. And it's also going to increase the clouds. So a lot of cloud cover for Saturday. But again, I think for the most part, we end up staying dry beyond a few stray showers. Where the rain will come back into play will be Saturday night, as you have this next little low that tracks over the area. And so as you go through Saturday night, there's a few of those scattered showers and storms. And we'll basically have these bursts of rain as you go throughout Sunday. So I think Sunday would be the slightly wetter day there. And then if we can keep some of the showers or moisture around for Sunday night, really cold air is going to be moving in, and maybe a snowflake or two. Even if we see that, no issues with accumulation. So really no wintry impacts there, just kind of a shock factor, if you will. With the chance for severe weather coming late Saturday night through early Sunday morning, it's really not much of a severe threat. Maybe some strong storms with the level 1 out of 5 risk. Some storms may contain some small hail and some gusty winds. I'm really not too concerned about severe weather over the weekend. But again, as we go through, it's going to be really warm today, and then temperatures gradually fall throughout the weekend, especially on Sunday. And we're just going to kick off next week on a pretty cold note. Highs are in the mid to upper 40s. Lows are in the 20s. I think Monday is looking dry. And then to kick off April, more rain is on the way. And it could be quite a bit of rain for Tuesday night into Wednesday as we spike back into the 60s by the middle of the week. And then we'll settle into the 50s and 60s for the rest of the period.